very thankful for the course which has been done by Karthik, and I have learned so many things which would have taken me at least a few months to search and learn by myself. And this digital ecosystem was able to present to me all the details in very clear format where I can start practicing from the fifth day of the class. And normally this would have taken a very long time. So I'm very thankful, Karthik, for teaching us this digital ecosystem. I appreciate all the effort taken and the substantial amount of data that you provide in a short time, in a very clear way. Thank you very much.
Nirav Chawla, I'm a creative entrepreneur. Here I want to give a testimony for Karthik. Thank you, Karthik, for a lovely session on digital ecosystem. It was quite helpful. The tools, I think, will make a great difference to our working style in future. Thanks a lot again for all the lovely teachings in this 5-day class. Hoping to learn more from you. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best. God bless. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Shikra Kaul. I am a leadership and life skills coach. I am launching my course online and I happened to come across a WhatsApp class by Karthik. Karthik took us through 3 days of sessions wherein he showed a step by step the tools and technologies that you need to use, what are their benefits, what are the different options, and gave us a lot of clarity on how we can make our courses better and launch. He also offered us help and to consult with him to understand that what is the primary objective that we need and how we can match it with the technology which is available there for us to use. So I wish Karthik all the best for his future and keep rocking, keep doing the good work that you're doing and inspire a lot more people to get online. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Veena BK. I'm a coach. I'm a parenting and dyslexia management coach. I'm a life coach. I received a message on WhatsApp and I joined Karthik's course. But what I found from Karthik is he explains everything from basics. And this technical, the concepts are quite a bit overwhelming. So what Karthik does is he makes it very simple and he goes down to the basic level. He guides us how to set up our coaching courses step by step. He guides us with all the tools, and all through the teaching in his courses he keeps on confirming whether you have understood, should I repeat. So I really appreciate his way of his concern for us. And it is not just me teaching you something, but his intention is that we should really understand and implement. And even after the course, hand holding, support, guidance, you can ask me anything. That kind of a support is what I found very valuable. And I really thank Karthik for giving me this course, and a lot of guidance I got. And because of this, now technical aspects is seeming a bit easy now, and I know he'll support me in future. Thank you, Karthik.
Hi Karthik, this is Vijayalakshmi here. Thanks a lot for today's session. Today's was the first session that I attended, but I got to know many things from it. And I have a confidence now. All my offline courses will be transferred to online courses with your support. And I am very confident that I am going to succeed. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Hello friends, I am Rajan Shrivastava and I am a clinical hypnotherapist. And for past several years, I was thinking to expand my reach beyond my city, and the course by Bloomix Technologies really helped me to expand my thought. It showed me how I can scale my business for different cities, for internet, and how I can implement different things in a proper manner. So I'm really thankful and I appreciate this course and I recommend this course for everybody. Thank you very much.